My favorite kind of bean is the black bean, but I don't like the hassle of having to soak them at night and then cook them on my stove. Well, with the quick cooker, I don't have to do that. All I need to do is put my beans in my colander and then rinse them off. I can put my beans in the quick cooker, add salt to taste, add water, then I put my lid on and make sure that the seal is tight. I need to make sure that the cloud here and the cloud here are facing each other. I put the lid on and I'm going to cook this for 40 minutes. I'll press custom, then time, and I'm going to push the plus button and set this for 40 minutes and then press start. What will happen is that the water will build up enough steam, the red knob will pop up, and then, like the old pressure cookers, it's going to cook for the 40 minutes, and then I am going to let the pressure go down on its own instead of doing a manual release. My knob just popped up, so now it is going to cook for the 40 minutes. My pressure cooker just finished cooking at the 40 minutes. As you will notice that the knob is up, I am going to let it come down on its own. When I am doing that, the time is going to start going up again, and then the knob will come down. Now that my black beans are finished cooking and I have cooled them, I am ready to put them in bags to put them in the freezer for the next time I need them for a recipe. I have already bagged one bag of beans. I put it in a larger bag and it does have the date on it. So what I did was I used my scoop and drain to get the black beans out. I have a measuring cup and I put it on the scale, and then I zeroed it out so I could put my black beans in, and then I have it so it is about 15 ounces. And that's about the weight of the canned food that I need. So after I do that, I can go ahead, put it in a bag, make sure that I have all of the air out of it, and then I can put it in this bag and keep putting my bags in it, and then I'm ready to go. The quick cooker does come with a cooking guide with all kinds of recipes in it. It also comes with the directions of how you're supposed to cook beans and rice and things like that. It does call for black beans to be cooked for 25 minutes. Now I cooked mine for 40 minutes because I like my beans a little bit softer. But anyway, that is how I process my beans. That way I know what's in them.